Yeah, I get right to the racks. Then I make that shit back. Run up on me, get shot in the back.
It's strange to be in the building for you to get subscribed to the channel, man. Back another down reaction today. You got walking through the whole Hoover set during the most dangerous time of the year. 40 shot that week in LA.
Damn.
So I guess they're walking through the opposite, I guess. I don't know. It's Jerry TV. Pops, how do you feel about Cali and this hood vlog we're about to watch?
Yeah, I like Cali.
Something new on the channel.
I like Cali because it has a rich culture of like a lot of stuff that's going on with the gangs, and you have Mexican culture, you have black culture, you have Hollywood. So Cali's really, really nice place. If it's your first time tuning in, subscribe to the channel, request the content, and then we react. This is the only channel that we talk with you, not at you. So hit us up on Instagram. Follow him, Javen TV. Follow me, Pops React. We have a Discord below.
Join the Discord. Let's hop right to it, right?
Discord. Let's go.
Number 2.
Gangland, I got the best of gorillas right there.
Right there.
Gave me the motherfucking battery, and I said, pow, 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 bitch.
Big roll right there. We about to go back and get the shooting at the niggas.
Do this right now.
Nah, what?
Really, side of the streets, all that good shit, you know what I'm saying?
One time?
Ooh. Well, since your man's gone, the intro on you.
One time?
What?
Man, he got that thing on him. He out.
Oh, nah. He probably got locked up. He probably on parole, bail.
Bro, he ain't want no police contact. I'm like that now.
Streets, all that good shit, you know what I'm saying?
One time?
Well, since your man's gone, the intro on you.
The real MVP signed to the streets. They know what's going on. We right here through the Hoovers. This the trenches. My trenches, as you can see on Hoover, is going down.
All of us right here. H.R. Hoovers, we used to beef with each other when we was younger.
For real?
81st and 84th.
Over what though? Some kid shit?
Kids shit, like real kids. We was young as a motherfucker.
Paranoid.
We was A4 Riders.
They don't know him.
We was A4 Riders. They was on 81st. They was THBs. We used to beef with each other. But now we all is one type deal.
Damn, bro, could look like he could been a basketball player. He look like he's 6'3". Now he a big goofy nigga.
Yeah. I mean, maybe he did play ball. He just didn't make it, man.
Didn't make it. Damn,
There's not enough seats in the NBA seat, so you're gonna have big goofy dudes on the block.
That is true.
First, there was THBs. We used to beef with each other. But now we all is one type deal. 81st and 84th has always been tension. But we all H.R. Hoover though.
That's cool that it never really led to nothing serious, nothing split up like that.
I ain't gonna lie, one time it almost got serious. We was from A4 Riders, my boy. I don't even know where he at. I don't know where he at right now. But
That's
my boy's
federal
name
though. They
Armani.
should have blurred out the gun, right? Like,
I didn't see no gun.
me either. All right. But I'm just saying, let's say there was a poll in the video, they could trace it back to a case that, you know what I'm saying, that's not solved.
Yeah, but I didn't see nothing.
I don't know where he at right now. But my boy's name Armani.
That shit look like
We was all from A4 Riders.
that shit look like a marker.
He was coming from school one day. THBs jumped him. He went to his family members and got a strap, a deuce. He came back like, man, THBs jumped me. Whoop. So we niggas that I hang with right now today, we was about to go bust on them. We walking through the alleys, trying to go find them niggas. We couldn't find nobody. We came back up over here and got caught with the gun. These niggas packed my boy out. We was about to go back and get the shooting at the niggas.
How did that shit get worked out?
Older homies. Because we from A4 Riders. They was like more tied into Hoover because they was called THB, Tiny Hoover Boys. So they was more tied into Hoover than us. And we used to whack they shit out. These niggas got the tripping. Our older homies, my cousins, uncles, all that, they tripping like, nigga, y'all whacking out the H, nigga. Y'all little niggas gonna get put on Hoover. Real small cliques in the Hoover hood. We can walk through the gang alley. Walk through
I
here.
just realized, bro, got a braid in the front. Like, bro, if an out coming or somebody coming through, you gotta push that braid out the way. It's almost like a bang, nigga. You gotta move it out the way. Put the shit in the back of your head like the North Cali niggas. The North Cali niggas are smarter. He got a braid in the front to cover.
He doing it his way, yo.
I guess, but bro, I guess LA does it backwards, right?
Yeah, they do their own thing.
Walk through the gang alley.
You gotta move that shit out the
Walk through
way.
here.
Oh, I didn't realize that shit is that long.
To the wall.
Yeah.
Y'all gonna get a video of us running from crash and all that, cause they might pop out.
Y'all got one of them Ricky alleys?
On words, we got the Ricky alley.
Ain't nobody getting Ricky in our alley.
They ain't dumb enough to come through that alley. They'll tell you.
They ain't done.
Y'all in the Hoovers in the alley? Yeah.
Take us out this club.
Yeah,
A lot of big boys, and this came right from
I
gun.
don't game bang. For the police officers, I don't game bang.
The crash told me, they said, you know the dude with the long thing in front of his face? I said, no, I don't know. I don't game bang.
And nigga, my smoker cousin, look at this. He made this into his house. He up in there right now. Nasty!
Smoker cousin.
Nasty bugs.
3rd Street 80s.
What that plant?
On word. That's the set.
This Miss Suyard, man.
They always cover up my boy Devious hit-ups.
These buildings right here used to go down too, man. I used to live up in here.
Get knocked out right here.
DPs and put-ons right here and all that. This is the spot. This is legendary. I ain't gonna lie to you.
What make
Yo,
this
Cali hoods are bad
Bro.
weird, right? Like that shit look like some suburban shit, but it's
Yeah,
not.
it's all suburban, like houses.
But that's a jack.
I guess it's not as popular. Like New York is like so many buildings and stuff, but this is more like that's why they have the alleyway so people can go into the driveway through the alleyway.
Wow.
It's kind of different.
You see these? You see those? How that shit hanging right there?
Who this right there?
That's the homie. You see how that shit hanging right there?
You got the camera like, who just write it down? Like he got ops. He not trying to get caught up in a crossfire, right?
He ain't trying to get caught.
I was little and watch all the DPs, put-ons, dog fights, all that shit.
Bust his fucking windows out.
Dog fight, what is that?
Sock the bitch in her jaw.
Like you not
Drop the
recording it, just how you get
motherfuckers.
the, you feel me?
That's what I used to do.
That's what you get. We got a bunch of gang bangers around here.
You get fucking pit bulls, bro.
That's the more treacherous side anyway.
I just think,
81st,
like,
84, like I'm telling you, 84
It's
break.
not smart to be in front of a camera with a gun. Like you really like. I know he caught heat over that. I know that
The older bros.
the
Homies.
older bros and the police probably bother him a lot. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, because it's got millions of views.
Even though they don't got no, it could be fake. It could be whatever.
Right here, that's my clock. 81st, about to go to their clock. Gangland, I go to Bad Gorillas right there, man. You know what's going on.
Why they burn it up?
Oh, sir, maybe Stone
I think
Gorillas.
it's my mistake.
That y'all should have gave me the motherfucking battery. And I could have pow, bitch.
That was Baby Stone Gorillas.
I don't give a fuck who that
Oh, baby, some gorillas?
They in the set.
Back in the days, this is my jurisdiction. I didn't go past this. I didn't want to run into them niggas like that. You know, I used to be dangerous, but them niggas were dangerous over here. These 81st and they used to be real dangerous. I didn't go past 82nd.
The ops are the other
I used to be on
Hoovers.
83rd, 84th. These niggas.
West Side Hoover, Tiny Hoover boy. These apartments right here, that's where I used to live.
Niggas know not to play with
I
us
used to live
on
here.
deck.
This is my street right here, Mesky.
Oh yeah, we about to enter the famous one, man.
That's the kitchen. Hoover. Gonna where the homies hanging at when you come through this alley. You can keep going straight.
Nigga
Or
came
you
from
can
work,
come
they
through.
banging. You see that?
Yeah, he got that. He want to be seen. He just came from work. He on his way to work, or maybe he's a cameraman escort. I was trying to figure that shit out. Like, why you got that stripe shit on like that?
That's a target right there.
Yeah, like X on my back.
Bullseye, nigga.
Hoover.
Wildin'.
Where the homies hanging at when you come through this alley. You can keep going straight, or you can come through the middle right here. Catch all the locals doing their little dirt in the back. Number 6.
These are like the ones from GTA, that one hood.
These motherfuckers janky. Come through running through here, you might get snatched up. Never come out. Running through the back, you might not make it through the front. This shit
right
used
here.
to be booming.
I just
This
see
right
the
here,
put on right here.
$1 million.
And a put on.
I ain't gonna lie to you. $1 million. You wanna be a dope boy? $1 million.
The green one.
Mexican.
It's the green one.
I ain't gonna
In the set for like 5 hours, what you make 1,500.
I got real close with them in like middle school. Elementary, around my time, elementary was beefing hard as a motherfucker. Like, couldn't even be over here really. They would have fucked me over.
What's these?
By myself, they would have.
Long live T Super. Mad ass everything.
They know what the fuck going on. Mad ass everything.
Long live Super.
Long live T Super. I know about T Super too.
This is the prime. These the apartments right here.
This
These
what got me real
This
conjunction
what
with
got
It's funny because a
everybody
lot of
up. This
homies
what let-
that passed away, but it's like I think it's not about. You gotta remember it's over the years. So these is probably homies from the '90s that they know,
Yeah, you keep their name alive.
early 2000s. I'm like, damn, that's a lot of dudes, but it's probably just like generations of dudes.
Yeah, for sure.
Everybody know we ain't playing that shit over here.
Gonna lie.
Ride through this motherfucker.
These bushes right here saved my life. They got crash,
Save
got up on me in the
everybody
front. I had to run all the way through here. I stashed my gun right in these bushes. I went up, stashed it, bah, hit that motherfucker. They caught me though. That's the
Right here
the
in
ring
the
right
middle.
there.
That's where everybody get their bullshit, squabs and all that.
DPs put on.
Who I had squabbles back here?
concrete?
Right in the middle.
I think I
You ain't
had
really from the set, you ain't had a squabble right there. You know what I'm saying?
A lot of my
I ain't gonna lie to you. You not really from the set if you ain't squabbling nobody right here.
We line them up with niggas like him. You know what I'm saying? Young, aggressive bulls or Hoover. Right here. We put you right here. Yo, back against the gate, you can't run. We put niggas like Groove in there. Wild hyenas. If they really want to get ugly, we gonna put Groove in there.
And I went to jail right here for the strap. 16 years old, man. They ain't even had a porch right here, nothing. It was all bushes. I came, ran back here, think I'm stashing the thing.
Damn, so
came
I'm
right
noticing
here,
there's a
got me.
Mexican homie there. We know in North Cali that's not allowed, fool. Well, no, in Southern Cali that's not really allowed.
Yeah, but you know, he just one. Just like you will have your occasional white boy You know what I'm saying? Or you have your occasional black in a Mexican neighborhood. That happens.
But fuck is you doing? You going to jail, boy?
That's some Hoover. You ain't from the land. You don't know Africa or African kids.
Hey,
That's
you
some
know,
Hoover.
I wouldn't even guess where she from. She's so logged in over here, I wouldn't even guess where she from. She from 9-0, real good over here, won't nobody touch her. She from the op. Neighborhood 9-0, she from over there.
That means she gotta respect him.
Respect. Her sons is Lokes from over here. Man, we're right there at the corner right now. When we was younger, we don't be on bullshit like that no more.
When we was younger, we used to beat them bitches up. Cause no bitch be right here. I swear to God, they already know. Don't drop your bitch off right here. She gonna be robbed, beat up, all the shit.
We was younger on God. Pimps, all that.
This
they know about us.
Oh yeah, this yard go up too. T.I.
They not gonna come right here to drop that bitch off, fool.
T.I.
These bitches were being terrorized, young.
They gonna probably hit them back streets and then one ways over there. They not gonna hit the street to drop them bitches off.
Hell no,
we wasn't even asking
he's
questions
blurring
if them
out some
bitches
stuff.
was from
You
the
know, he said don't
bitch was
record
from
that car right there.
Right.
They probably did drills in that shit. Nigga, don't record that.
Yeah. I'm surprised he ain't just cut that whole part out.
Yeah, he told him push the camera if you peep. Yeah.
Saturday night, we should just terrorize them bitches.
Yeah, already know this.
Look, you see they leaving right now.
This
Why I was on them?
This the general yard right here.
Like you can't have a mixture of pimping and gang banging in the same mix. It's gonna cause traffic on our street.
Ain't making the money in the set. Groove, y'all ain't feeding
that
it
too.
on Hoover extortion. You know what I'm saying?
On Hoover extortion.
This
The pimp came correct though, trying to break something off for the spot.
we wasn't worried about that. We was gang banging. But if he trying to come pay his taxes, the older homies was probably doing that. We was gang banging. We wasn't worried about no money or none of that type of shit. We was gang banging.
Hey!
Oh, gang get up on her. She got the curly hair and everything.
She not worried about y'all. She like, I'm just got off of work. She like, I just got off of work. I ain't worried about these
Cold
niggas
yard
right
right here
there.
too, man. It goes down right here.
T.I. in the wheelchair on Hoover. You had nowhere to go? Right there. You go right there, you got home sleep, on Hoover good.
Oh, 6'11", West 81st Street, good parole like they said. You know what I'm saying? The shark was born right here, but I'm off the phone.
The people behind, you trying to just come through.
Yeah, that's some gang shit to ask me, man. I don't want to.
Yeah, I don't know.
That's definitely some slang. What does that mean,
Yeah,
yeah?
translate that. Shark across the street from
Fall, yeah.
Here, but I'm off the phone.
The people behind, you trying to just come through and this is a bunch of niggas in your parking spot. You can't really be too wild.
That's what the regular people be tripping on. They be calling the police on us and shit because the parking, bro. We'll pull up, park anywhere, double park, block people cars in, all type of shit. On these streets, like her right here, we know her good. Mama, how you doing?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, how you doing?
These are peoples right here, man. They log us in. One time, look, we told this nigga, right? We hanging out, don't ride the mini bike. My boy rides the mini bike, right? Drunk, they having a party right
real
here.
quick, the videographer is dumb smart. He was like, yo, bro, let's do a hood vlog middle of the day, like on a Tuesday. This shit is like a Tuesday at like 4, the sun's setting, so like probably 5, 6 o'clock.
Right.
I don't know if this is in the winter or not.
Right.
But-
Damn, you like a detective and shit.
I'm just sun setting, right?
11. I don't know if it's the winter or not.
I'm sorry, bro. What if I'm undercover, y'all? I'm doing my studies.
Oh, the Mezzane party, you know what I'm saying? Whack my boy off the mini bike.
Mexicans right here.
That's
It's probably
it.
them.
It's probably them right here. Whack my boy off the mini
They
bike.
smacked me with one of
Had
these
my
trucks.
boy knocked out down here. We hanging out down there the whole time. Never knew.
Damn, the homies down there, I'm about to go fast down the clock. As soon as I get right here, this weird ass nigga turned right in here. I'm coming this way, he just turned right in front of me.
He was so drunk and he didn't even know what he did.
Nigga, I was knocked out in the air. I woke up and I hit the ground. I woke up, I'm telling them like, man, let me call my homies, they down the street. They're like, hell no, you ain't calling your homies. Like, I'm like, they like, you can call the police. I'm like, no, I'm trying to call the homies, they down the street. They finally let me call the homies. The homies come down here tripping on them. I'm dazing out, all type of shit, getting in the ambulance. I see the homies tripping on them. What the fuck y'all do to the homie? All type of crazy shit. They about to squabble these niggas.
Really, side of the streets, all that good shit. You know what I'm saying?
One time?
I'm from Hoover. That's where I'ma go. Fuck being Mexican. Fuck all this bullshit that they be talking about. Cause when I went in there, I seen like 2 black dudes from Playboys 13. Shit, I ain't got nothing to do with them. They ain't got nothing to do with me. You know what I'm saying? Go to jail, squabble up, bust a nigga down. It's regular. Ain't turning nothing down. West Side Hoover. They be tripping. You gotta be like, I'm tripping too. What's up with it? I'm a young nigga.
So you go to prison, you gonna still ride with the blacks?
Yup.
Oh shit.
I'm riding with Hoovers, bro. A couple of us too, bro. It's a couple of Hispanics from Hoover. You gonna hear about it. I'm one of the ones though.
From the other Hispanic gangs, do they look at you kind of crazy that you ride with the blacks?
Yup. All the time. Because in Hispanic gangs, you gotta get permission to fight other motherfuckers and you gotta do this and do that. Certain protocols,
No, but
right?
in prison, like that's some shit though. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know how would that work in prison.
You sound like you got some figuring out to do. You know what I'm saying? Be confident.
Fuckers, and you gotta do this and do that. Certain protocols, right? Nah, with us, we gonna get straight to it. You from where? Oh, I'm from Westside Hoover, Sandy. We gonna take it there. We gonna take it there.
He did a black man doing it in the Mexican body. Oh shit!
Hey, that green truck moving. He busting the left too.
That Beamer?
That green truck. He finna bust the left.
In the front. Police in the front. Truck. They just went past. Nah, for a truck. Yeah. Hey, cut down right here.
That life is hard, bro. That's a hard knock life, right?
That's a hard knock life.
I can't do that shit.
That shit had me like that. Shit was extremely entertaining.
Because they thought it was the ops, but that might be D's. You're saying, right?
It could be anybody.
Yo, it's JTV. I want to do more hood vlogs. Who's next?
It could be their homie that just got a new car.
Word. We out here. Peace.
And I know how it gets, so I gotta stay low now, move my knot. I don't trust no nigga, I don't trust no man, ain't no friends, everybody get shot. You never know how nigga gon' throw, I'm hitting the flow with a couple of shots. You better move.